Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. So in my Facebook group, a member asked about unique article spinning stuff. That how to make an unique article from copied text. So there are many wonderful softwares for article spinning and which are absolutely paid, and today I also share with you a paid tool. The actual price of this tool is around $27 and more than 5,000 people already buy this and give mostly positive reviews. If you want to purchase this, then click the link below and purchase this from their official site. But for my group members, I will give it free to all. So if you haven't joined my Facebook group, then join now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily latest videos. So let's see how it works. First of all, you should have a WordPress website. You can use a free hosting or free domain. After you set up your hosting and domain, sign in to your WordPress admin panel. Then from plugin setting, add a new plugin that I give you in my Facebook group premium share. Visit the link below in the description and then join our Facebook group. Search for article spinning writing software and download that plugin. After you add and active that plugin, go to add post and paste here your copied article that you want to spin. Now scroll down and you will see rewrite option. Click on it and it will rewrite this for you, and it will also highlight the spin word with yellow color. So if you put your mouse on this, you will see it shows you more synonym for that particular keyword. Now copy all the rewrite content and go to any plagiarism checker and check it unique or not. So I'm gonna use here Grammarly plagiarism checker. So it says our article is 100% unique and fresh to use. So that's all for today. I hope this will help you. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.